A trucker took 2 trailers hostage over unpaid freight bills. Now a judge must decide if that's legal self-help or theft.
7, number 6.
This is Brogo Transport LLC versus Interflet Brokerage, cause number 2025 CVD4. Good afternoon, Mr. Morris.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Court martial present participating by video conference. Good.
Motion for summary judgment for Interflet's claim for conversion. So this is a hostage equipment case, Your Honor. Interflet Brokerage, as a freight broker, hired Brogo Transport, a motor carrier, in September 2024 to transport 6 shipments. Interflet also provided Brogo 2 trailers for those shipments, and those trailers were never returned. The payment terms were net 30. This is shown in both Interflet's rate confirmations.
Mr. Barrera.
To give you a little bit of background about the facts, back in September of 2024, Interflet contacted my client, Brogo Transport, the owner of Brogo Transport, Armando Gonzalez, regarding 6 loads that they were wanting Brogo to transport to all across the country, really 3 different states: Texas, New Jersey, Florida. Armando Gonzalez, the owner of Brogo Transport, was concerned about accepting the loads from Interflet based on a history of them taking well over 30 days to pay for the services that the carrier provides. So as a condition of accepting the loads, he required for Interflet to pay via Quick Pay, which is a platform for paying truckers. Interflet agreed to pay via Quick Pay, and as evidenced by the text messages, which I attached to my response to their summary judgment as Exhibit F, paying by Quick Pay usually takes about 48 hours.
And that judgment was suspended on
I
appeal.
think the last part is where the court is stuck on in terms of what you all both have argued, because Mr. Morris made his argument, but then in response, Mr. Barrera said, well, my client was relying largely in part on some order. That order is a justice of the peace order that is not in effect at the time it is appealed. So I mean, I guess the best way I could describe it is it's a defense, but it's imperfect because it no longer applies once appealed. Anything else from any person on this matter? And I've already heard the argument. I'm just going to rule on this by submission at this point. The orders, we're going to give myself the deadline for the orders due date on April. All right, so you'll have an order. Mr.